This is Adrian Hart with your Southeast Colorado weather on seconews.org. We're looking at US Highway 50 in Swink, Colorado, as it is getting pummeled with sideways rain, high winds, and heavy precipitation, including hail in tonight's Southeast Colorado thunderstorm. You can follow us on the Seco Weather Facebook page. Subscribe to Seco News on YouTube. Oh man. Zero visibility on US Highway 50 currently from tonight's thunderstorm. High winds, hail, and lightning. You can see we've got cars driving with their emergency flashers on as we've got standing water on US Highway 50 here in Swink, and most likely between Swink and La Junta. Really getting a lot of precipitation at once. Close cloud to ground lightning in this storm.